Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to synchronize your WooCommerce sales with QuickBooks for easier accounting? In this guide, we will show you how to connect QuickBooks to WooCommerce in 2024, simplifying your bookkeeping process. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, we need to get the QuickBooks synchronized for WooCommerce. So what is it exactly? This is the most powerful and customizable integration between WooCommerce and QuickBooks, online, desktop, or POS. Forget manual bookkeeping, keep all your sales and inventory data automatically and synchronized between platforms. So, this is like an automation that you can automate your WooCommerce store and accounting by synchronizing orders, payments, customers, taxes, products, and inventory, and even more between WooCommerce and QuickBooks. QuickBooks Synchronized by My Works offers the most customizable and robust integration to keep your data in synchronization between WooCommerce and QuickBooks, saving hours of manual entry every day. Easy for a beginner to use and powerful enough for even the most advanced stores. QuickBooks synchronization for WooCommerce adds a direct connection from your WooCommerce store to QuickBooks, bringing a full-featured customer order, payment, products, inventory, and pricing synchronization to your platform in one robust extension. It's compatible with QuickBooks Online, Desktop, and POS. Now, for the benefits, you can make your accounting effortless, so QuickBooks synchronization helps you grow your business by automating your accounting, letting you focus on the bigger picture while relying on accurate accounting data. You can also save time and increase accuracy, which a robust two-way synchronization makes it easy to manage your orders, inventory, payments, and more, keeping your platforms up to date as quickly as every 5 minutes. Here is an example on how it would be looking in your WordPress or WooCommerce menu. As you can see, it will be in this area in your dashboard. So here, as you can see, beyond the basics, these are also still one of the benefits. So beyond the basics, with this powerful support for custom fields, extra compatibility with 25 plus WooCommerce extensions, advanced bank deposit, plus transaction fee support. In advanced settings, there is no workflow they cannot or they haven't conquered. And also the best thing about it is it's easy to use. It's just like switches. Do you want to synchronize this customer data? Make it on. Orders on off. I don't know, payments on and off. Products on and off, variation on and off. So you can literally have it like edited in here within the automatic synchronization. Also, you can choose and specifically the time that you want to synchronize this data, like every 5 minutes to check if there is any new orders and synchronize them, every 10 minutes, every 15, every 1 hour, every like day, like every other day, every week. So yeah, this is something that is very cool. You can literally make it synchronize every 5 minutes in case you had like hundreds and hundreds of customers a day. Then yeah, this is gonna be very cool to do, since it's gonna like simply make it easier for the software to send, or basically for you to actually analyze every customer for every 5 minutes. Here, some other like solutions like QuickBooks Synchronize saves you time by automating your accounting. So here, like it has deep WooCommerce integration. So QuickBooks Synchronize by Works lives inside WooCommerce/WordPress, which lets you control the synchronization from within your website's back end. This deep integration gives you synchronized status indicators inside your orders. It adds synchronized updates, order notes, and lets you synchronize custom fields to WooCommerce. So here, as we talk, it has the 5 minutes ratio, which we could edit. You can categorize orders with QuickBooks as an invoice, sales receipt, sales order, or estimate. You can automatically synchronize your WooCommerce orders and payment with QuickBooks in your desired record type, and with complete control over line items, fields, and more. You can customize how they synchronize order content, product taxes, discount payments, and transaction fees. So there is dozens of settings allow you to completely customize how orders synchronize, sets how synchronization order nodes, classes, discount, shipping taxes, transaction fees, descriptions, and more. And it has an extended support for 25 plus WooCommerce extensions. Like, it is compatible with all WooCommerce extensions and includes extra compatibility, for example, with extensions like sequential order numbers, product bundles, COGS, and more. It's very important. Like, it's very important tool. It's very, and the best thing about it is, if you want to right here, add to store, add to cart, it is free. It is totally free, guys. So yeah, what are you waiting for? It's the best tool that you can have at the moment. Now let's skip here and go for the pricing. So with the forever freelance plan, QuickBooks Second for WooCommerce is free to download. You can install and use for higher order volume and advanced options. A recurring paid My Work subscription is required, and all plans include automatic real-time synchronization, two-way product synchronization, and 24/7 ticket support on all the features in the free launch plan. Unlimited and enterprise plans are available for high volume merchants. Non-profits and volume discounts are also available. QuickBooks Synchronize for WooCommerce extension is the only official WooCommerce extension collecting your online store with the most popular accounting platform to effortlessly keep your orders, products, and more in synchronization at all times, keeping your time valuable in your platforms in synchronization. So in case you were interested in downloading it, well, what are you looking for? Just click right here, add to store, or simply add to cart. In case you clicked on add to store, it will take you to your store on WooCommerce and basically place for your order. As you can see, like both of them will be like that. And let's wait a little bit. There we go. Let's wait. It might take few seconds. In case it has like a lot of traffic in the website, it can take up to 1 minute. It's not really a big deal. Once this minutes or seconds are finished, you will get a file. So this file is going to be a zip file, which you will be able to go to plugins right here, click on add new, and yeah, here normally we'll have two options, either to search for QuickBooks in here. So here we go. You could go for this one, WooCommerce Synchronization for QuickBooks Online, or simply get this file, click on upload plugin, and upload it, drag it and drop it right here. And once you did that, simply just click on activate and it should be activated, so you can basically use it freely. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Leave your comment down below in the comment section for all your problems with upcoming topics, and see you guys in the next tutorial.